Hey guys, it's Brianna back again with another review video. Today we are talking about the Conair fabric shaver. This has been a lifesaver because this quilt had all of these pills all over the entire thing. So this is the Conair fabric shaver, the battery powered version. I didn't get the rechargeable version because it was more expensive, but to each their own, and I also didn't want to have to be charging it all the time. So it has three different settings on the top, three different levels, and then here is how loud it is. So I'm just going to do this bottom section for you guys and show you how long it takes to do a quilt. This is a queen size quilt and the results are instantaneous and I love this thing so much. Almost telling me just to throw away the quilt, and now I don't have to because it looks brand new again. I'm not putting any pressure on the shaver, I'm just doing an up and down motion and it's getting these results. It couldn't be easier to do this, honestly, and it's pretty satisfying and fun. After you do a section that is pretty big, my quilt had sharks on it, so I did about every 4 sharks or 5. I would empty the container, so you just take your trash can, your Conair, and the catcher just slides right out, this little blue portion. Just pull it down and dump it out. As you can see, it's pretty full, and then you just slide it right back in. I did notice that it's a little harder to do the bottom of the quilt that hangs off the bed. You're pushing on it and it just keeps moving, so I just pulled it up to the top and did the shaving that way so that it was an even surface rather than making it super puffy. Overall, I'm really happy. I thought for sure this thing was going to cut the material or the stitches of the quilt. If you have a wedding or any event coming up and you are looking for things to put on your registry, I definitely recommend this guy. This was one of those things I added at the last minute for my registry discount for Amazon. So if you do a registry on Amazon and you want the completion discount, it has to be an item that is shipped from Amazon and sold by Amazon. So this is one of those items that works for that. So if you wanted to buy the rechargeable one, that's a little bit more expensive. I got the cheaper version just because of convenience. I definitely think that everybody needs one of these. This is also a really good tool for if you are doing Poshmark or Mercari, you're reselling clothes and they have like a little bit of pilling on your sweaters or anything like that. If you have furniture that's pilling or anything around the house, you'll be obsessed with using this because it's so satisfying. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!